Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Academia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. And this water pump from 2012 and it was there for quite a while. So we replaced that, and we also had to replace the brew bar that is located inside the machine. They also need the O-rings, so the stuff that we removed. We also service the brew unit, deep clean it, replace the O-ring from the brew unit, deep clean the shower screen, descale this machine, and just give it a good cleaning. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. But first we're gonna be testing this carafe. We're just gonna do hot milk, that way we can test the entire functions of the carafe, and then we're gonna do an espresso shot, and after that we're gonna be using the steamer. And as you can see, nice steady steam coming out through the carafe, frothing perfectly fine the way it's supposed to. We're seeing the nice froth coming all the way through here, nice siphoning through. Gonna stop it right here. As you can see, excellent steam coming out through the carafe. Carafe working excellent. Well, but as you can see, steady stream coming out through the 1-2. And steam having an excellent pressure coming out through the 1. Great steam, great temperature, great pressure. And now we can do that espresso shot. Excellent flow coming out the spouts. Did notice a little bit of leaking through here, so we're gonna clean that up and unclog it. Okay, we cleaned the spouts. Now we're gonna redo that shot again. As you saw, nice steady stream and no leaking coming out through anywhere of the spouts. Working the way it's supposed to. Good shot of espresso as well, and good crema too on top of it. So there you have it, Gaggia Academia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.